President Akufo-Addo has stressed that with effective management of public resources, the restored nurses and midwife trainee allowances should be sustainable. He said the restoration of the allowance was due to the importance he attaches to the health of Ghanaians. President Akufo-Addo was speaking at the launch of the restored nurse and midwife trainee allowance at the Nursing Training College in Sunyani.
The nurse and midwife training allowance became a topical issue when it was scrapped by the NDC government in 2013. Then presidential candidate Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, moved by the plea of the affected nurses, promised to restore it if elected. Earlier this year, it was announced that 252 million Ghana cedis had been budgeted for the restoration, which is expected to benefit about 60,000 trainee nurses. Buna Hafo was chosen to host the launch due to the fact that it has 16 nursing training colleges, the highest in the country. The launch, which took place at the NTC in Sunyani, was very well attended by students of the college, as well as their counterparts from Brekum, Sampa and Tanosu, among others. Also present were government officials, stakeholders in the health sector, chiefs, NPP supporters, and more. The health minister, Mr. Kweku Agyeman-Manu, said training of health professionals is a priority for the Ministry of Health. He announced that so far, 58,000 nurse and midwife trainees have been registered to enjoy the allowance. Mr. Agyeman-Manu said students will be paid 400 Ghana cedis a month for 10 months in each academic year. The head of the Conference of Health, Training and Education Institutions, Ms. Josephine Ansunji-Abo, said they had been monitoring with keen interest the promise of restoration of the allowances and are happy to see its fulfillment.
The best way you can express your gratitude is to make a difference by setting high academic and moral objectives for yourselves and work hard to ensure that you pass all your examinations at the first sitting and come out as well-trained, qualified and committed healthcare personnel that Ghana can be proud of.
Launching the restoration of the allowance, President Akufo-Addo assured Ghanaians of his government's commitment to roll out human-centered policies that will bring about progress and improvement in livelihoods in the country.
To your colleagues in private nursing and midwifery training institutions who have been at home for a number of years, next year our healthcare institutions will begin recruiting them as well. Our aim is to banish the specter of nurses, midwives and health assistants who are not posted after completion of their courses.
On the NHIS accrued debts inherited from the previous administration, President Akufo-Addo announced that a great percentage of the debt has been cleared.
Within the same 9-month period, Kweku Agyeman-Manu has managed to pay 560 million out of the 1.2 billion CD debt we inherited, which was strangling the NHIS, with a commitment to pay the balance within the next 12 months. In the meantime, payments to service providers in the NHIS are now current, with no arrears being built up. The NHIS is working again.
The arrival of the president coincided with text messages of the beneficiaries, alerting them that the allowance had hit their bank accounts.